In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to add custom domain in Canva website. So I have already made a Canva website using Canva software. So this is my website. I had made this website using Canva software. If I want to preview it, I can see. So click here in the preview section and it will show this is my website, and I can just tick mark on here, include navigation menu, so that I can get navigation menu. I can check from the mobile, so how it will look like in the mobile version, and this is the desktop version, and everything is perfect. I want to publish it, but I don't want to publish it on a free domain, so I want to host this website in my own domain. So I have brought the domain from the hostinger. This is my domain name, contentbangla.com. So I want to host this Canva website to this domain, so that once I go to this website or this domain, when I browse this domain, it will just come this website. So this is why this video is. In this video, I'll show you how to add custom domain in Canva website. This is very simple. I'm Saif from DigiWhisper, and let's get started. So once your website is complete and designed from Canva, then just click here, publish website, this button, and here you will find this option. So currently it is hosted in the Canva website. This is the free URL generated from the Canva, but I want to make this website under my own domain or custom domain. So click here and click here, get a new domain. So clicking here, you will find these two options. One thing you should remember, that adding custom domain in a Canva website is only available if you are a Canva Pro user. If you are a Canva free user, then this feature is not available for you. So once your account is a Canva Pro account, then you can build a website in Canva and add it to your custom domain. So I'm showing you how you can do this. Here you will find these two options. Just first option is bring your own domain, and the second option is buy a new domain. You can just buy a new domain using Canva and you can host your Canva website to that domain. But as I already have a domain in the hostinger service provider, so I want to host this website in this domain. So how we can do this? First, click here, bring your own domain, and click the continue button, and here you need to type your domain name. So this is my domain name. Just copy it and paste it here. So this is my domain name, and now click the continue button, and now you need to go for a few steps to navigate it in your own domain. Here we'll find the option connect domain manually. So click here, and the first option is you need to go to your domain name provider. So in this case, my domain name provider is hostinger, and go to the domain section, and here is the domain, and I want to host the Canva website in this domain. So I need to click here in the manage section, and you need to go to the manage section in your domain name service provider, and once clicking the manage section, you need to click the DNS name server or name server section, and here you will find a couple of records here. Just first delete each of the record one by one if there are any of the previous record available. But your first job is to delete each of the records from the name server. So first clean if there is any previous record in your domain name server provider, and now it is clean, and now I need to go to here. So this is the host name. Host name is @ I need to copy it, and this is actually an A record. So I need to first create an A record. So here I need to select an A record. Just type is A record, and then this is the host name. In this case, host name is @. So copy it and paste it here, @, and now paste the value. So copy the value and paste it here, and now just click the add record button. The first record has been done, and now click here, record added, and we need to add now this record. This is also an A record. So click here and A record, And now just copy this www and paste it here. And now copy this value and paste it in here and just click the add record. So now click the confirm button. So the two records has been added. Now click the record edit button. So now this is the third step. In this step, we need to add TXT record. So we need to create a TXT record. So find TXT, and this is the TXT. And now first add the host name as @ or copy it and here paste it. And now add the value. So click here to copy the value and paste it here and click the add record value here. So once the three records has been added to your domain name service provider, now just go to here and click record added. And now click I have updated my DNS records, this button, and now use this domain. Click here, and here we need to add our page information. So click here, add your page title and add your meta description here. And now once everything is done, just click continue to publish button, and now click to publish button, and my website is preparing to go to live, and this is perfect. And now if I check it here, I can go to the domain name and refresh the domain name. So our website has been added in our domain, but it needs 72 hours to propagate, and we need to give that much time here. And here you will see your domain DNS record updated are being processed now. You can its status in your domain setting. So click here to go to domain setting, and here you will see if it has been updated or not. In this case, we are seeing here your website can't be viewed yet because your domain is being verified. So it is being verified or it is in the review. So we need to wait a couple of hours to check if it is propagate or not. We can click here to see or refresh. We can again refresh our browser, and after a couple of hours we will check, and our website should be under our domain name. I will also show you this once it is completely propagated. In the meantime, we can check our DNS record. So go to Google and search DNS checker and click here, and now give the website name here. So this is my domain name, and input your domain name here and click search. If you see everything is green, then it is just okay, and we need to wait a couple of hours to be proceed. So in this case, we see everything is perfect, so we need to wait a couple of hours. So after 1 hour, when checking here, I found that my website has been propagated in my own domain or my custom domain. So this is perfect. Everything is done. This way you can add custom domain in your Canva website. That's it. In this video, I have shown you how to add custom domain in Canva website. All right, that's a wrap. Now it's your turn. What's the one tech issue that's been driving you crazy lately? Drop it in the comment, and I might pick your question in the next video. I genuinely read every comment because this channel is all about solving your real life problem, not just random tutorials. So if you are stuck and confused or just curious about a tool, ask here below. I will reply you personally to help you out. Oh, and don't skip the pinned comment and description. I've pinned some must-visit tools and resources there. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and join my growing community. Let's fix the internet together, one video at a time.